By this we know love, that he laid down his life for us, and we ought to lay down our lives for our brothers. 1 John verse 3. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something different. I've got a hair model, as you can see. This is my friend Ruth, and I'm going to be installing this wig from Yolissa hair on her. This came ready to wear. It was pre-bleached, pre-plucked, everything. I didn't have to go back in and bleach the knots. It was this beautiful curly wig. All the details are on the screen by Yolissa hair. Here is me putting on the wig. So prior to this, I did put some foundation on the lace just so it matched better to her skin tone. And here I'm just going to cut the ear tabs so that it fits comfortably around her head. I did go in and pluck a bit more behind because I found that the wig was quite small for her, so I had to recede the hairline a bit just so it fit more comfortably on her head. And here I am just taking my scissors and cutting in a zigzag motion to cut the lace. And you want to always cut in a zigzag motion, that way the lace is not a straight line on your head. The more it looks like a straight line, the more it is detectable. And this is going to be a glueless install. It was literally a quick one. We didn't want to keep the wig on for long, so I'm using an adhesive spray. I'm just going to use my comb and a blow dryer just to melt the lace down. I just go with a bit of melting spray as well to melt the lace further. Then I take my Yolissa hairband just to secure the lace and lay it flat. And then I'm going to go with my continuous mist, and I'm going to spray the hair with water and conditioner before I go in with my wax stick and my hot comb to lay the front. So I don't really have a mini straightener with me, so I had to use my straightener to curl the edges, which was so tough. But I used that, and I used some melting spray just to lay the edges, and then I went back in with my hot comb. To define my part, I took some black mascara around the roots, and then I take my concealer straight down the part and blend it in with my comb. And one thing I love about curly wigs is once you've laid the lace, you're pretty much ready to go. Like, this was so easy and quick to install. As you can see, the hair is very long. Like, my friend is tall like me, she's 5'9", and this was 28 inches, I believe. And it went all the way down her back. As you can see, the hair was very, very full, as you can see, and the hair is consistent throughout. So this is the end of the install. If you are interested in this hair, please check the description box for all the hair details. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.